Hey there, Disney fans! If you're eager to dive into the magical world of Marvel, Star Wars, and all your favorite classics right from your Xbox console, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to get Disney Plus up and running on your Xbox. Whether you have an Xbox One, Series S, or Series 10, this guide will have you streaming in no time. First things first, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need an active Disney Plus subscription. Head over to their website if you don't have one yet, and a stable internet connection to avoid any buffering woes. Let's jump right in. Start by turning on your Xbox and navigating to the Microsoft Store. It's usually found on your home screen or in the apps section. Once you're there, use the search bar to type in Disney Plus. Hit enter, and you should see the app pop up. Go ahead and select it, then choose Install or Get to download it to your console. This might take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed, so grab a snack while you wait. After the app is installed, find it in your apps list and launch it. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Disney Plus account details. Enter your email and password, and voila, you're logged in. Now, browse through the endless library of movies and shows, pick something exciting, and hit play. It's that straightforward. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the app not loading, try restarting your Xbox or checking for updates in the settings menu. Also, ensure your Disney Plus subscription is active and your Xbox is connected to the internet properly. That should fix most problems. There you have it, folks. You're now all set to enjoy hours of entertainment. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what you're watching first. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.